I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
You would never think these meatballs take less than an hour to make. They're 12 out of 10 good. Give me the meat! I love meatballs. A good meatball, you just can't beat it. But usually I shy away from making my own meatballs because it takes a really long time to make. You gotta sear them on the stove, do a bunch of things. But these meatballs are so easy to make. They take less than an hour. And I'm gonna show you what to do to make them, starting off with the meat. I have two types of meat here. I have some ground beef and some ground pork. You want ground meat that has some fat content in it because fat is flavor and moisture. Second thing you need to do is get yourself a yellow onion, and you're going to grate your yellow onion. And this is the key to juicy, tender, delicious, moist, I hate that word, meatballs. You'll never want a meatball another way. My husband got me some safety glasses in hopes that now I'll be able to cut my own onions. We'll see if this actually works. Hello. This is very close. I think I need to lift some more arm weights. This is tough for me. Look at all that delicious grated onion. You want everything in there. The onion and all the juices from when you grated the onion. Pop it right in. And my absolute favorite part about these meatballs is the pancetta. The pancetta, crisped up for about 10 minutes or so on the stove, just makes all the difference. It adds these little meaty, just crispy bits in there. Oh, you can't beat it. Go right in there. Then you want 1 egg, and this will bind your meatballs together. Another key to binding your meatballs together is some panko breadcrumbs. I feel like panko breadcrumbs create less of a dense meatball, which I really like. Then I have a cheese blend. It's just an Italian cheese blend that I bought right in the grocery store. And this is gonna add beautiful flavor. I have some garlic for more flavor. Everything's better with garlic. Next up, Italian seasoning, which is a blend of Italian herbs. Makes life easy because you don't need to blend your own herbs. And a pinch of fennel seeds, which I really like. It's very common in Italian cuisine, like Italian
Sausage.
like Italian sausage. I feel like this is gonna be so disjointed. Olive oil for moisture, and a touch of tomato paste. Don't forget your salt and pep. Now that I'm ready for surgery, I'm just going to mix all of my ingredients together. You don't want to over mix things. You want to try to mix things as least as possible while still combining all of your ingredients. Once it's all combined, then you're going to take a 1/4 cup measure, and you're going to add about a 1/4 cup of meat to the measure, scoop it out, roll a ball, and put it right on your baking sheet. Just keep going. "400 degrees for 16 to 20 minutes. That's it. Look at these. Oh, my mouth is actually watering. Look at the pancetta. I can't wait to try. Which one? Oh my gosh. I dream of these at night. I'm not even kidding you. They're that good. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning.